private chopper, a helicopter, descended and landed abruptly without any prior notice or clearance or coordination directly into the field, into the beach, and occupied by school children, sports officials, hundreds of innocent fans. This was done just before halftime, in the full view of the minors, the teachers, national officials, and members of the public. It was not an emergency landing, and it was not an accident. This was reckless, self-serving publicity, orchestrated by a non-politician, Cleophas Malala, who sought nothing more than political mileage and personal glorification at the expense of the safety and well-being of our children and our citizens. Consequently, that was flagrant violation of Civil Aviation Rules and Civil Aviation Act 2013, Basic Education Act, Minister of Education Guidelines for Safety of Children, the Penal Code of the Republic of Kenya. It was this ill-advised intrusion disrupted a national schools event, endangered lives, and caused panic. And he violated every protocol known for aviation, child safety, and public event management. Let us not downplay this. The helicopter could have crashed. Learners could have been trampled in panic. Lives could have been lost. So let's not belittle this thing. This is a very serious thing. So the action of that politician and the pilot are irresponsible and reckless and national embarrassment and a criminal offense for that matter. You may be seeking maybe a political photo opportunity, but you caused a direct threat to the safety and dignity of Kenyans, Kenyan children particularly. So leadership is not about grandstanding. It's about protection. It's about service. It is about restraint. Consequently, full criminal investigations is underway in collaboration with Kenya Civil Authority, Civil Aviation Authority, the Ministry of Education, and DCI. The RCIO is handling the case. Therefore, the pilot, the politician, and any other accomplices involved in this unauthorized landing will face criminal charges for endangering public safety, for creating a public nuisance, for trespass of a public land, and violation of aviation regulations. And let this be a stern warning to any other individual, regardless of his status or ambition. Safety of Kenyan children is non-negotiable. Our children are not props. Our children, I repeat again, are not props. We will not allow disorder, arrogance, and impunity to endanger the lives of our future generation. The law will take its full course. We call upon Kenyans to stand together in protecting our children, our institutions, our learners, and our national values, so that such a thing does not occur. We are expecting the East Africa Games to start on 12th. By the weekend, we will have guests from over 10 countries. We don't want such an embarrassment, a national embarrassment any more time. You cannot come and land in the center where we have more than 18,000 people. Suppose that helicopter malfunctions, what will happen? We will have lost lives. This is not something to make it simple. And I call upon Cleophas Malala, former Senator Kakamega, to report to the RCIO Western before Friday, so that he makes his statement. As we go further with the investigations, he will face full criminal charges. And that is my communication from the region. By the OB 17 of 2nd. And the OB was recorded at 16:30 hours. Saa kumi na nusu. And the OB iliandikwa, and he landed at 14:30 hours. So that was the finals between Muzingu boys and St. Joseph boys of Kitale. Was going on. Approximately we had about 20,000 fans. The chopper registration number is 5 Yankee, that is 5Y, KPI, that is the registration number. 5 Yankee Kilo Papa India, that is the registration number of that helicopter that landed in the midst of the playground, interfering with the ongoing match. So he came out and vanished in the middle of the people. So we could not have done anything at that time, but investigation is going on. We will deal with him. We will arrest. Definitely we'll go for him.